Welcome to Zen Wealth Lab. Have you ever wondered how a simple hobby can turn into a $1,000 a month business? Today, we're diving into the world of organic soap making. In a world full of chemicals, people are searching for natural alternatives, and they are willing to pay a premium for it. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to start this business from your kitchen with very low investment. The organic skincare market in the US is booming. A single bar of handmade soap can sell for $10 to $15 on platforms like Etsy. Why? Because it's not just soap. It's an experience. It's healthy, it's beautiful, and it's eco-friendly. The best part? You don't need a factory to start. You just need a passion for quality. To command a premium price, you need premium ingredients, base oils, olive oil for moisturizing, coconut oil for a rich lather, and shea butter for that luxury feel. Scent: avoid synthetic perfumes. Use pure essential oils like lavender, peppermint, or lemongrass. Colors: use nature. Turmeric for yellow, beetroot powder for pink, or charcoal for a sophisticated black. Remember, the more transparent and natural your ingredient list looks, the more trust you build with your American customers. The process is called cold process soap making. Step 1. Safety first. Always use gloves and goggles when handling lye. Step 2. Mix your oils and lye solution until you reach trace. That's the stage where it looks like thick pudding. Step 3. This is where the magic happens. Add your botanicals and scents. Step 4. Pour into molds. The next 24 hours are crucial for saponification. Step 5. Curing. This is the hardest part, waiting 4 to 6 weeks. This patience ensures the bar is hard, long-lasting, and gentle on the skin. A naked bar of soap is worth $3. A bar wrapped in eco-friendly parchment paper with a beautiful jute string and a personalized tag is worth $12. Presentation is everything in the US market. Use minimalist designs. Mention made in small batches on your label. This creates a sense of exclusivity. If your packaging looks like a gift, people will buy it as a gift. So, how do you find customers? Etsy, the home of handmade goods. Use keywords like cold processed soap and vegan skincare. Farmers markets. This is great for local trust. Let people smell the soap. Instagram and TikTok. Show the process. People love watching soap being cut. It's called ASMR and it's a powerful marketing tool. Pricing formula. Cost of materials X4. This covers your labor, marketing, and leaves you with a healthy profit. At the end of the day, the biggest barrier between you and financial freedom is action. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start small, learn as you go, and be consistent. Dignity lies in labor, and wealth is built one step at a time. If you found value in this guide, subscribe to Zen Wealth Lab. Let's build your future together. What business idea should we explore next? Let me know in the comments below.